Store and Bistro Erva Santa by Moca Architecture in Centro, Brazil. Family memories and vintage aesthetics are the protagonists of this multifunctional space. Through colors and details, this Brazilian emporium tells its story and perpetuates the harmonious relationship between food and well-being. A super special project for the office with a lot of affection and family reference. This is how the architect Kátia Azevedo, a partner at Moca Architecture, begins to describe the development of Erva Santa, a natural products emporium located in Curitiba, south of Brazil. Surrounded by natural landscaping and a large garden, the house recalls the nostalgia of the 50s, incorporating rustic and organic elements right on the facade. The brick wall and demolition wood board contrast with the vibrant colors of the entrance. Because it is a space that integrates different functions, the project was divided into 3 stages and sectored through colors. First step was the bistro in the exterior of the property. For this area, an aged pink tone was used, matching with the furniture thrifted by the architects. As for the lounge, which accommodates the emporium of teas, spices, and natural products, shades of green and beige were used. Finally, the area for events, located at the back of the property, received a vibrant blue to delimit the space, which also accommodates a shared kitchen. In addition to creating different sensations, bringing comfort and warmth to customers, the colors are also present in the products, establishing a connection between the space and the brand. Using curved lines and a different mix of materials, such as wood, ceramic and raw stone floors, the construction aimed to enhance the aesthetics of the house, rescuing the owner's memories as well. The project is a tribute to her relationship with her grandmother, who shared her passion for natural products. Even the name Erva Santa comes in reference to sage, which was one of the herbs that her grandmother used the most, says the architect. The affection between them is also represented in the details, such as the choice of furniture and decoration. One of the cabinets used in the store is a family heirloom that goes along with made-to-measure pieces, blending vintage design with straight and contemporary lines. The final project is a place that welcomes its customers, recalls memories of the past and offers space for the creation of new narratives, mixing affection, tranquility and well-being.